Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am finally in receipt of my August base box from BoxyCharm. So I'm not sure what's going on with BoxyCharm. I'm not sure why. For several months now, I've gotten my boxes extremely late. I have reached out to their customer service to ask them about it because I feel that some of you guys may have subscribed to my channel based upon my BoxyCharm unboxings and demos. And I want to be able to continue to do the unboxings and do the demos for you guys, but I want to do it in a timely manner. You know, getting my box this late in the month, by this time you guys have probably already seen everything, so I'm not sure if you guys are interested in me going through and doing demos or unboxing for BoxyCharm at this late date. So I'm not sure. You guys let me know in the comments if you're still interested in seeing these BoxyCharm videos. If so, I'll continue to make the content. But in today's video, we're going to take a look at all the items that came in my box. So I'm super excited about that, to finally be able to share them with you. The theme for this month's box is glamping. So this is the info card. There was also a point in time when I did not get my info card from BoxyCharm for my base box, but I'm glad they finally got that all worked out because that also was quite a challenge for me. But yeah, so for this month's box, I got variation 36. You guys have heard me talk about the variation numbers before. At the bottom of your info card, there's a little heart and a number, and that determines which items are in your box for the specific month. So yeah, it is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and summer. Shows here on the info card. So let's dig into this box. And I almost forgot to mention this to you guys. 1,000 subscribers has been a milestone that I've had for this channel. We are almost there. And once we reach that 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to have a giveaway. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you can be on the lookout for that. I also wanted to mention for today's video, I am not doing a demo in this video. I'm just going to do the unboxing of my BoxyCharm base box. However, I am using some of the products in this look today, and if I'm done editing, I'll be certain to link the video in the iCard above here so you can check that out. If I'm not done editing that video in time, it will be the next video after this one, if that makes sense. So if you go to my channel dashboard, you'll see the BoxyCharm video, and then the next video you'll see where I'll be creating this look. So just wanted to let you know just in case you were interested. And in my base box for August, the first item that I've pulled out of the box here is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Mahogany. This concealer has been out for quite some time. I already had one of these concealers in my collection. I had it in the shade Warm Sand. So Mahogany may work as a cream contour or a cream bronzer for me. I'm not sure. I'm going to give that a try, but this is what this shade looks like. It does have a little bit of a reddish type of hue to it. I'm okay with that as long as it's not too red, but yeah, I'm going to be trying it out. And the info card states, the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. Conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer makeup hybrid. Fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and the retail cost is $29. This next item is from Violet Voss, and this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. We got the Essentials 1 palette in a base BoxyCharm box a little while ago, or was it a Boxy Luxe? It may have been a Boxy Luxe, but we definitely have gotten the Essentials 1 palette. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm not going to swatch this palette because this palette I think I am going to put in the giveaway. But yeah, this is what this palette looks like. It's really, really cute. It's got some nice pops of color in it, as well as some neutral shades and some shimmers that you can use to create a nice eye look. I'm also going to show you what the Violet Voss Essentials 1 palette looks like, so you can kind of compare the two. And here they are. So here is the Violet Voss 1 Essential Palette. And then here is the Violet Voss 2 Essential Palette. So yeah, these are really, really pretty palettes. I think that you would be able to make a really pretty eye look with either one of them. I have given quite a bit of love to the Essentials Palette 1 from Violet Voss. I use it quite a bit on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm going to put this in a giveaway, and I think that someone else will be able to get some really good use out of this palette. But the info card states, these 10 eyeshadow pans of Pure Bliss provide all day, everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up the look. So yeah, this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, and the retail cost is $36. This next item is from Clarins, and this is the Velvet Lip Protector. This looks to be a nude shade, and it's really pretty. This is what this shade looks like. And the info card states, Clarins' best-selling Natural Lip Perfector Gold Bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving the lips feeling hydrated for hours. And the retail cost for the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector is $25. This next item is from Mudmasky. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it is a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. And the info card states, this unique hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo makes the skin of your scalp healthy again. Repairs and strengthens hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp. Controls dandruff from the root and works against itchy scalp. Suitable for all hair types and especially for damaged hair. So normally when I get hair products in my BoxyCharm box, I normally don't use them. I end up giving them away. But I think I am going to try this one out. I think I like the claims of this product. So yeah, this is the Mudmasky Hair Mask, Scalp Treatment, and Miracle Shampoo. And the retail cost is $25.50. And the last item that came in my August BoxyCharm base box is from Mind Tan Body Skin, and this is their Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. And the info card says, greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. I like the idea of that. You guys know that I really am all about anything that has to do with skincare. That's right up my alley. And the retail cost for the Mind Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum is $44.95. So those are all the items that came in my base box from BoxyCharm for the month of August. I totaled up all the items that came in this box as I normally do, and the total cost for all the items in my box is $161.45. You guys know, as usual, and I will say it again, you know that I paid substantially less than $161.45 for my monthly subscription to BoxyCharm. So if you're interested for signing up for BoxyCharm, I'm going to leave a link below. You can use that link to sign up, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com and you can sign up there to start receiving your own box. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.